A very good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are safe and fine. Welcome to GK class. Today in this GK class we are going to do a book work. So take out your book, open page number 42. Open page number 42. Write down today's date, that is 19/12/20. Okay? Everyone has written today's date. Now look, what is the chapter name? Kind and Caring. What is the chapter name? Kind and Caring. So in this chapter, a good manners is shown. Okay. So look, what is written in the paragraph? In this here, black coloring. Okay. It is easy to be kind and caring every day in your life. Arun, Rose, Sazia and Jamshed tell us how to be kind and caring. Okay? It is easy to be kind and caring every day in your life. Arun, Rose, Sazia and Jamshed tell us how to be kind and caring. So here are four persons. They tell us that how to be kind and caring. Okay. So look at the very first picture. This one. Look at the very first picture. What is written? Look. What is written? Arun comforted a little boy who fell and hurt his knee. Arun comforted a little boy who fell and hurt his knee. This boy fell from the tree and hurt it in his knees. So what Arun is doing? Arun is comforting that boy. अगर बेटा सपोज आप कहीं से गिर जाते हो, ठीक है, और आपको चोट लग जाती है, तो आपके पेरेंट्स क्या करते हैं? आपको बताते नहीं, नहीं बेटा मत रो, सही हो जाएगा, है ना। इससे क्या होता है? आपका पेन थोड़ा सा कम हो जाता है, कंफर्ट देते हैं। यस और नो? सो अरुण इज ऑल्सो ट्राइंग टू कंफर्ट दैट लिटिल बॉय। ओके, सो आप भी ऐसे करोगे। आप जब भी देखोगे किसी भी पर्सन को हर्ट हुआ है तो आप उसको कंफर्ट करने की कोशिश करोगे। ओके, नाउ कम टू सेकेंड पिक्चर, दिस वन बॉय एंड गर्ल इज सिटिंग। Look, Shazia shares her toys with her brothers. What Shazia is doing? Shazia is sharing her toys with her brother. So, sharing is a good habit or bad? Tell me. You always share your gifts, stationery, food with your brothers or sisters or not? Yes, because sharing is a good habit. ओके, अगर आप शेयरिंग नहीं करते हो तो आज से शेयरिंग करोगे, ये गुड मैनर्स है। ओके, नाउ लुक एट दिस थर्ड पिक्चर, दिस वन। शी इज अ लिटिल गर्ल एंड अ ग्रैंड मदर। व्हाट शी इज डूइंग? शी इज आस्किंग अ बैग्स फ्रॉम हर ग्रैंड मदर। ओके, लुक व्हाट इज रिटन। रोज हेल्प हर ग्रैंड मदर बाय कैरिंग हर थिंग्स। Look, her grandmother is carrying a things. What Rose is saying? Rose is saying, Grandma, please give these packets to me. She is helping her grandmother. ऐसे ही आपको भी अपने पेरेंट्स की, ग्रैंडमदर्स की हेल्प करनी चाहिए। जब आप शॉपिंग करने जाते हो तो बहुत सारे बैग्स हो जाते हैं। यस, आप उसमें से एक या दो बैग्स कैरी कर सकते हो। यस, इससे क्या होगा? आपके पेरेंट्स की, आपकी ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स की हेल्प हो जाएगी। ओके, now comes to this third picture, this one, last one. Jamshed helped his father cleaning the table after eating. What Jamshed is doing? Jamshed helped his father cleaning the table after eating. Now here Jamshed is helping his father to clean the table after eating. So how many of you are there who help your mother or father to clean the table after eating? Raise your hands up. Now look, आपको क्या करना चाहिए? जब आप खाना खाने के बाद आपको टेबल को क्लीन करने में हेल्प करनी चाहिए। आप अपने यूटेंसिल्स उठा के किचन में रख सकते हो। ओके, अंडरस्टूड। एंड खाना खाने से पहले आप उसमें प्लेट्स लगा के, सबकी प्लेट्स लगा सकते हो, खाना रखने में हेल्प कर सकते हो। ओके, अब आप बड़े हो गए हो, इतना तो कर सकते हो ना। इससे क्या होगा, आपकी मम्मा की हेल्प हो जाएगी। ओके, so these all are the kind and caring habits that you have to follow. आप भी बिल्कुल अरुण, रोज एंड साजिया एंड जमशेद की तरह बनोगे। yes or no? Do a promise with me that you always used to follow these good and caring manners. Okay, now read out this chapter. Read it out fast. I am giving you the time to read it out. Okay, everyone is reading now. Now turn your page, comes to page number 43. This page number, write down today's date, 19/12/20. 19/12/20. What is the chapter name? Taste and Health. Taste and Health. Okay. So look, what is there in this page? Some of the food items given below are not healthy for eating every day. Label the following food item as healthy or unhealthy. In this page, some of the food items are given. You have to tell that which food item is healthy for our body and which food item is not healthy for our body. Okay. So, ready? Look at the first picture. What is this? This is burger. Burger is a good for health or bad? What it is? It is bad for health. If we eat daily a burger, then what will happen? We will become sick. Okay. So it is bad for health. It means it is unhealthy food. So in unhealthy food, what you have to do? You have to cross it like this. Cross it like this. Now come to second picture. What is this? This is idli. Idli is good for health or bad? It is a healthy food. Okay, you can eat idli daily. Okay, idli is a healthy food. So in healthy food, what you have to do? You have to take like this. Okay. Now in third one, what is this? In third picture, there is a pastry. Yummy. It is yummy, na? Yeah. Yes, it is yummy. But if you eat pastry daily, then what will happen? We become sick. Yes or no? It harms us. So, pastry is unhealthy food. So, in unhealthy food, what you have to do? You have to cross it like this. Okay? Now come to fourth number. What is this? This is softie. Yes. How it is? It is also yummy. Yummy na? But it is good to have softie daily? No, it is not good to have a softie daily. It is unhealthy food. So what you have to do? If it is unhealthy food, cross it. Okay. Now comes to fifth picture. In this picture, what is this? Paratha and sabji and curd. It is good for health or not? Yes, it is healthy food. You can eat this food daily. Okay. This food gives you energy. Yes, energy to grow, energy to play. Yes. So this is good for health. So this is healthy food. So take it this. Now come to sixth picture. What are these? These are laddu. Yes. How many of you love laddu? Including me. Okay. But if you have daily sweets, then what will happen? Our teeth become decayed. Yes. So this is unhealthy food. In sixth number, cross it. Comes to seventh picture. What is this? Juice. Orange juice. Yummy. I like to have orange drink. How many of you like to have orange drink? Raise your hands up. Okay. Now look. Orange juice is healthy for our body. You can have daily. Okay. आपको daily juice पीना चाहिए. Juice किसी का भी हो सकता है. So it is healthy food. In seventh number, take it. Now comes to eighth number. What are these? These are fruits. What are these? These are fruits. Fruits is healthy food or unhealthy food? You tell me right now. Fruits are healthy food? Yes, healthy foods. So take. Okay. Now ninth. What are these? Rice. Wow. Rice and dal. Okay. How many of you love dal and chawal? Very good. To have this dal and chawal daily, it is good for health. Okay. So it is healthy food or unhealthy food? It is healthy food. In 9 number, take it like this. Okay? So, do your work fast. And remember beta, page number 42 and 43 is for homework. Okay? You have to read out the page number 42 and 43 thoroughly. Understood? This is your homework. Now I am giving you the time to complete your work. Okay? Thank you. And beta, if you face any kind of problem, simply ask me in the doubt session. Okay? Done? Okay, thank you.